Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Gay Travel Taipei, Taiwan. I'm your host, Fei Fan. We are going to some hiking today. We're going to Maokong, Gondola, and Galaxy Hall Temple. The temple behind the waterfall. Maokong Gondola, take Maokong Gondola to the top. To the top. We are start our hiking in Maokong. Just got off the Maokong Gondola and start walking the Zhanghu Trail. You know, a lot of people will say you should go to Elephant Mountain, which is the one next to Taipei 101. And you can see the whole city. You can see Taipei 101, but it's full of people. Oh my god, it's just like 3 steps and I'm so tired. But this secret, well, not that secret, hiking trail has very few people visiting always, and it's out of Maokong Gondola, and it's about 30-40 minutes walk, and you can arrive the amazing Galaxy Hall Temple, the temple behind the waterfall, la la la, yep. And walk up the Zhanghu Trail, you will see the Yinhe Cave Trail. And just walk along the trail, and eventually we will find the waterfall and the temple. The whole walking and visiting will spend you roughly 2 hours to 3 hours, so I recommend you come like before 1 p.m. before the sunset. You can go back to the gondola station because there's no lights in the mountain, so you're probably just gonna die here. Yeah. By the way, do not come here when it's too late because it will be all dark in the mountain and you will probably die. And don't come when it's raining because it's gonna be super hard to walk and it's gonna be all muddy all around. And you're probably gonna die too. I really think Galaxy Cave in Hedong area is the best spot to visit. If you want to get a little bit nature in the city, you can very easily to achieve here. Arrive here. Just need to take the MRT to the Taipei Zoo station. And voila! Look at that! We're in the mountain right now with all the trees and bamboos, with very hard to walk hiking trail. Here we are. The lovely temple behind the waterfall, Yinhe Cave. Yinhe Dong, whatever the translate name is. See, there's the temple and the waterfall. You can walk all the way up. Okay. And there's more hiking trail down there. Yep.